We're going to prepare the grades in your D2L course site so you can import final grades into UAccess. First, make sure all your settings are correct. Go to Manage Grades and click on the Settings icon on the upper right of the Grades page. Click on the Class Display Options tab. Look for Student View Display Options, and under Grade Details, check the Grade Scheme symbol box. Remember to save. Now select the Calculation Options tab and scroll to the Final Grade Released heading. Are you satisfied with the final calculated grades, or do you need to make manual adjustments to them? The following settings depend on your answer. If you will not make any changes to final grades, you will leave the final grade release set to the calculated final grade. Will you make manual adjustments to grades, such as applying a curve? If so, select the Adjusted Final Grade button. Remember to save. Next, you will transfer grades to the final adjusted grade column. This task can be accomplished from either Manage Grades or Enter Grades. On Manage Grades, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the down arrow for either Final Calculated or Final Adjusted Grade. It doesn't matter which one, they go to the same place. Select Enter Grades. At the top of the page, click on the down arrow to the right of Final Grades and select Transfer All. You will receive a confirmation message. You will now see that the final calculated grades have been transferred into the final adjusted grade column. If you need to make any changes to grades, the fields in this column can be edited. If you want students to be able to see their final grade in your course site, as opposed to only in UAccess, return to the down arrow next to Final Grades and choose Release All. You will get another confirmation message. Look to make sure all the boxes are checked in the Released column at the far right. Remember to save and close when you are finished. If you happen to be working in Enter Grades, you can also reach the Final Grades page by clicking on the down arrow to the right of the final calculated grade and selecting Grade All. The Grades section of the D2L Help pages includes illustrated steps for this process.